Oh, so may know to we'll quick comment. Hello, my people. How are you all doing here? How you doing? My well done, no. We are auntie. So this is how I run my day today. I'm coming to greet my sweet and lovely sister. Hey, she is having a birthday on Sunday. How are you, madam?
I'm good.
Hey, Nadia, you're not rich. I bet may you come out now. Come out. I just online no. Make my people see my beautiful sister when they do birthday on Sunday. Yeah?
The malaria they worry.
Malaria. Which malaria? How you say?
I'm fine.
Oh, you don't say where you come. I don't know. I didn't say her sister. That's what they do at times. So not be small. Which one are the best? I not the best. So you never see me before. Hey, boy, you never start now. Now me, you don't come baby oku now. We never start and not be on Sunday. Yes, weekend don't start. Now so make I ready me I come greet my sister now. I dey indoors since I know they do anything. I be not doing one day. How you dey? Greet my fans now that they greet you, they form my hand though. Wave your hand to them.
Yeah, today.
They know they see you. Wave your hand.
I greet you people.
Wave your hand.
Hi.
Oh yeah, auntie.
And I'm Success Limited.
Introduce yourself. This is how you are supposed to do it now. When they know they see your face, so. Now so you tell they throw away your own salute. Show your face. Again, I didn't call you. This is my small husband though, but I didn't call him.
They don't call you the kid.
Bad boy. You people are just that little boy now that just did that is my small husband though. He loves me so much. So I just bring you people here to come with me to see the way I run my day today. I've been indoors since I said let me come and visit my sister because we are planning marriage. I'm sorry, you don't need to marry 2 times. You have already married. We are planning birthday on Sunday. So I said let me bring you. This is our restaurant, special one. When you want to eat all those ngogo and gogo, this is life in Lagos, Mushi, Lagos State. This is life here. What is the name of this street? Number 7 Sanusi Street, Mushi. That is where I am right now. Fans all over the world. I bring greetings from my friend. Please join me to wish her a happy birthday. She will see it in your comment section. Please just stay with us. I'm not going to stay long. I just want to greet her a little before I go. Okay, when you come, they go, make they not come back. Yeah. Me and somebody will plan, we come plan the birthday while we add the thing to go. Now come. Have fun. Sweet mat, Jima. These twins, I never see twins who like sweet mat like this. You come and say hi. I think I'll give say hi just now. Oh, you see, I know they know them. Well, no, you have said your own now. You go. Don't spoil this thing.
Give me 2 times. I'll give you 2 times.
Come and say hi. Come and say hi.
Hello, I love you.
If you want something, you want to
Come and say hi. Show your face.
Hi, I love you.
This is a Jima. This is twins. The first one came to say to kiss you people before. This is the second one. You do like this, the way you're. Hey, you see? Hey, lovely Ejima. They really make my day in staying here. When I want to laugh, I will just come and meet them. So that is how we roll.
Second husband.
That is how we roll. Waiting I go do now. Then between now they have to marry me together. Now so life be. Well done. You are really tired. Okay, oh sorry. Not sick, not be now where you want to do birthday. Not try am o. Devil don't shame. We there now we dey run on now. Now we dey run on. They not born away go may not may not even come, you know try am. Before that they pursue the malaria go. Malaria don't bath, malaria never bath now till they worry. Belle. Hey. How you dey today?
You always tell me, I said later if you walk out, you not get it. I will beat you.
I will beat you. You don't say. You say he go beat you. Ejima, they are mad sharp as yourself. Which one be the like women among them? Okay, now this one. When you see where one like woman,
I will beat you.
like so na be mate. Okay, he said make you go come back before you go beat nonsense come up for your body. Not be lie. See me oh. Yeah, the man now pass on. He said come say make you wait so. He said make you wait. Hey. He don't true they come. See me see wahala. He don't pursue. Not be you give her power. Now you give her power now. Those tissues. Those your tissue. Me with teeth. Now, sir. Okay, don't drink for me. Thank you. No, it's finished now. It's finished. It's like then they waste the thing well. The thing where full here the other day. No. You're not supposed to be so. You're not supposed to be so. One another vessel. I dey feel it. Look at you now and remove and small. Hey. I say let me carry you people along go. I don't have anything doing. I'm just bored. Besides that I'm bored, on Sunday is my sister's birthday. I say let me come and see her if there's anything I can help her to do. This is her restaurant, this is her place. So I say let me come. Though I'm not going to stay long, I just say let me come and see her.
I go outside, my friend.
Ejima, now I'm doing now. Look at the two Ejima. Waiting we want for real. Waiting now. I will want the go. Pepper soup. I go come make you show me. No say me I not be catering cook like you. But make you show me. Make I know how to do the catering cook. May I learn from you. Hey. That they not be small spiritual. See, I never let me use my own. I don't see the mouth filler. You don't use them. Naija, bring the two. One day I can show my fans what they see for Naija. Just look at this thing now. The other day I bought it here. Man was selling it. I think he said it's for pimples and everything. Look at it. I even bought from it, but I've not used mine. He said he did a lot of things, and the thing even have a NAFDAC number. Okay, so then now I'm with my sister. My sister is showing me that the thing has suddenly turned white. Okay, give me the other one. Let me show you. Take a good look. This is another one. The thing suddenly changed white. Okay, look at both of them. So what do you call this, Naija? What do you call this? No, God have mercy. You see they use them. See, unless you see use them.
I can clean leg.
It works.
I can clean leg. The leg on this song.
I sure say na that be the thing wey you dey do for inside o. No be this one wey you don. My own I sure say na leg fear go let me take am clean. That one wey say that they take am rub waist, rub knee. Fear no let me you rub anything not do you. Na im be that I know wetin you put for inside mouth wey go fit take sustain na. Me I dey fear o. I still too young. I never
clean on here yesterday. The leg come so.
Me I sure say na that be the work when I go take am do. Wetin make you okay when you take am rub here as you say dey make belle dey.
Go down. I don't rub you.
Hey, naughty person no go fit. He reach to shout to person not reach to fear. That's it.
I don't want him.
Hey, that way you want him to again. Hey, where you don't bad. You not go team time now your day that day make you your eye. You don't say that. Your daughter sweet 16 that day.
You see my sexy Ghana.
Not be lie.
My sexy Ghana.
You want wear van? Wait, you want wear van vans for sexy Ghana? Not be canvas or van vans. You want wear that for sexy?
Canvas and short Ghana.
Not be lie. Obia. Hey, you don't want to celebrate your Valentine. I say you don't want to celebrate your Valentine. Eh? Hey, you really prepare for this birthday? I go happy, I go suburban with you. I go suburban. You not.
Wait, dance where me are they crazy.
No worry. No worry. Don't shaku. If I don't shaku, I come for. Now I trust those one.
Hey, my fault.
Oh shit. You say you know they speak Yoruba, but when it don't set you go they throw one no.
Now one
that day go tough, it go tough. Fans, don't worry, I'm going to video it to show you people. It's going to be a great entertainment, eh? Hey, don't worry. That day not be small. We'll first cook, after cook we'll come. When is the birthday party starting? 4. Till when? Till when una tire? Trust una Lagos.
When we tire, people go, I go.
Make una not let police come pursue now that day. Okay. That day what you do her own, which time she take close? Pẹ̀lẹ́. I said make I come here, I come greet you. Okay viewers, you have just seen my sister, my sweet and lovely sister. Her birthday is on Sunday. Join me to wish her a very, very beloved and sweet birthday. I think we will give her 3 gboza before the birthday now. 3 gboza for her. Gboza. That they give you, my friends, that they give you 3 gboza for you for your birthday in advance. So let me leave you now, guys. So I just want to show you. I take a stroll. I said let me take a walk. Since morning I've not been out. I'm bored. I said let me take a walk to use the opportunity to ask her how we are going to celebrate it on Sunday. It's going to be fun. Trust me, it's going to be fun, and we are going to do it together. I'm going to be on video live. I think maybe I will be on live and I'm going to be on video. You people will see it. It's going to be nice. You people will see it on my channel. Stay blessed. Bye. Love you all.